Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the most out of your automated strategy. As you can see here today, I made in this account 1,892 and I stopped it. I no longer trade for the day. Second account, I made 1,710 and I'm still kind of trading. That's around 3,600 for the day. By making 1,892, I hit my target, which is 3,000 USD. Stick with me, I'm going to show you how I managed to make that much money and how I managed to use my existing automated strategy profitably. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Advet. I trade futures e-mini as a part-time trader while managing a full-time job. Most traders, when they get an automated strategy, will use it on one or two instruments, like for example ES, the SP 500 E-mini, or the NQ. And while this is a great way to specialize and focus, it can lead to some frustration days when you may hit your
Order
drawdown
canceled.
quicker than expected, especially in the market condition for those instruments aren't in your favor. Now, here, what I recommend instead: diversify your strategy across several instruments. Let's say you use your strategy not only on ES and NQ, but also CL, which is crude oil, or the Dow, the YM, or even GC gold. This way, you are spreading your risk across multiple markets. If one instrument is struggling, the others might be thriving, balancing out your overall profitability. For instance, today, my NQ trades didn't perform as well as I would hope, but CL and YM picked up the slack. It's this diversification that allowed me to hit my profit target of the day. Let me show you. Okay, guys, here we are. I'm backtesting the automated strategy I built. It should be fairly profitable, otherwise, we want to be using it. So here it is. I'm backtesting that. Just one thing is when backtesting the instrument, most people go to one, that's what they
Order
used to
canceled.
do. But now I just go, I'm trading all the futures. I want to select all. When I go here, I want to check all the futures, which one is doing better than others. I always go for 15 minutes, which is up to you, whatever time frame you use. I'm going to use just 2 months, like worth. I don't want to go kind of back in history. It's faster to do and include my commission. And I'm going to just use unique entries here. So this is just to show how good is this strategy. Is it good, or kind of can I use it or not?
Stop filled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
So here it is. I always go by sharp ratio. So it's up to you if you're gonna go with the net profit or sharp ratio. So I'm gonna just go by the highest sharp ratio. So let's see, for this one is 600 ZS, for ZW 6000, which is like zero point 0.5
Order
sharp
canceled.
ratio, which is kind of decent. And you can see the combined result is quite good actually. Look, 15,000. So by when looking at combined result, it means all the future are doing well. It's not very hard sharp ratio, but let's see, depending on about your automated strategy. So now you get the automated strategy, you trust it, it's profitable. But as you can see here, it did quite well in this instrument. But let's see, if you are trading, for example, the NQ based on this backtest. Backtests in Ninjatrader are good, but they are not really 100% reliable. So you test them, but take it with a pinch of salt. So let's see, for example, if I'm trading this strategy, let's believe that those backtests are accurate, I'll be losing money in NQ and ES. And if I trade ATY, I'll be losing even more money, or CL. I'm using all kind of more money here. But if I'm using other instruments, I'll be making profit. But how would I know which instrument is good, which one is bad? Or, I mean, I'll be losing money in
Order
it.
submitted. Order
So,
canceled.
but you can see here the combined results are positive. This is good for me. This is good strategy enough for me to say this is
Order
worth to
canceled.
be used. So, I'm going to show you the next step what to do. Once you get your automated strategy, you trust, you test it, it looks decent. Next step, guys, you get automated strategy that you trust and you are ready to trade. So, what would be your next step? You go to your control center in Ninjatrader, you go to strategies tab, and here you right click and you click new strategy. You use your strategy. For example, I have this one here, and in instrument, I would use go to futures and use select all. I'm going to trade all the futures here in a 15 minutes time, and I'm going to use just kind of my sim account for that, just for testing purpose. I want to use unique entries. One of the things I always do here, I always select wait until flats and to synchronize accounts, because otherwise sometimes they trigger too fast without doing proper calculation. I always do that. You can either save it as a template. I usually save it. Save it just for that particular strategy. I save as a default. So and they click OK. So here they are, my strategies. Okay. Okay. So here they are. Those are my strategies here. And what I would
Stop failed.
do, I just click here, right click, and enable them there, and they can, or you can disable them. I'm going to disable them for now. Okay, guys, just one thing now when you get that many automated strategy working at the same time, if you're using a funded
Order
account or
canceled.
you are trading still in the evaluation process, this is one of the things you have to be really careful with, which funded account you are using. For example, for future e-minis, I use Earn to Trade, Apex, and Top Step Trading. The three of them, they are quite decent. However, when you are trading this method here, you are trading so many contracts at once because they can trigger. There's no guarantee they only one or two will trigger at kind of same time. So it's up to you to manage how many instruments you are trading at same time, and also you follow the evaluation instructions. For example, for Apex, they allow me 10 trades, and if I kind of hit a maximum, they just get an error and then they don't allow me kind of the 11 trade. Same thing with the top step trading. However, when it comes to earn to trade, they would fail you. If they allow you six contracts and you go to a seven contract, you would fail the evaluation. They are quite tricky, so I don't recommend using them if you're
Stop
using
failed.
this
Order
method.
submitted.
Or you can just stick with five instruments at the same time, which you think they are more profitable than others. But just this is one of the things to really, before using this method, you have to be careful with. Okay, I'm going to leave you to this. Uh, Happy trading. Good
Yeah,
luck with your
before they
trading.
submitted